Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your pie chart smaller in Minecraft. First, ensure you are in a Minecraft world and have the debug screen open. Pressing the F3 key will bring up this screen, showing important game information. You'll notice a large pie chart appearing, which details performance aspects like memory usage and chunk updates. While useful, its size can often block your view, making it difficult to see what's happening in your game world. Let's fix that. To adjust the pie chart size, you'll use a simple key combination. While the debug screen is active, hold down the Shift key and then press F3 once more. This action doesn't close the debug screen but instead cycles through various display configurations. Keep pressing F3 while holding Shift until you find the mode that significantly shrinks the pie chart. It will still be visible, but much less obtrusive, allowing for better gameplay visibility.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these Minecraft tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. On another note, while we're making things smaller and more efficient in Minecraft, let's talk about making your home life more efficient too. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, keeping your real-world space tidy. You can find the link for this amazing robot vacuum and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
The F3 plus Shift key combination actually cycles through 3 distinct debug screen layouts. The initial press of F3 brings up the full debug screen, often with the large pie chart. Pressing F3 again, while holding Shift, will switch to a mode where the pie chart is significantly reduced in size, moving it to a less central position. A third press will hide the pie chart entirely, leaving only the textual debug information. Choose the option that best suits your current needs for visibility and information. Optimizing your game view by shrinking the pie chart can greatly enhance your Minecraft experience. With less screen clutter, you can better focus on building, exploring, or combat. It's important to remember that this adjustment is temporary. The pie chart will revert to its default large size if you close and reopen the debug screen. So, keep the F3 plus Shift shortcut in mind for quick, on-the-fly adjustments whenever you need to clear your view. It's a handy trick for any player.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.